Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and these are the new features in Soothe 3 from Oeksound. Setting out to fix tonal imbalances in any recording, Soothe 3 is a dynamic resonance suppressor that can fix frequency build-ups on a number of different sources. On drums, I can target an overpowering ride cymbal sound without taking out other stuff around it. And for time-old problems, such as shrill violin sounds, Soothe 3 has you covered for those as well. And on vocals, Soothe 3 can make a great de-esser. However, this time I'm using it to de-harsh the vocals without taking away the phonemes that may define the lyric.
You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah. You only call when you're faded. You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah. You only call when you're faded. You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah. You only call when you're faded.
Now in Soothe 3, the algorithms are improved, including a new soft mode, which sets out to be Oeksound's most transparent form of resonance suppression, and this has an adaptive threshold. You still have Soothe 2 style hard mode with a fixed threshold. However, I can use a lot of the soft mode without my vocals sounding unnatural.
You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah. You only call when you're faded. You're so jaded.
Now when I compare that with the old hard mode, we get a big difference.
You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah.
So a bit pumpier with some audible artifacts there, which can work well for aggressive processes. However, soft mode is working excellently for my vocal here. So gone are the old sharpness and selectivity controls, and in is the new detail control that combines the two. So this covers the amount of filters but also their width as well in one control.
You're so jaded. You think that love don't exist, yeah.
And moving back to our violin, another new feature is the max cut parameter. So this works exactly like a range control. So I could, for example, dial in a very deep maximum cut and dial back the depth. Or impose a maximum cut limit and then push up against that if I want to. So new ways to control the sound in Soothe 3 there. And helping along those workflow improvements, we also have the hideable side panel, so I can just double click that. And off it goes, or just a single click to show it again. And in Soothe 3, I also have a lot more flexibility with the depth curve nodes. So in the reduction graph, I can create nodes on the depth curve like this, but I can also delete them as well, using the trash can right there. And now I have a choice between 8 different band shapes, including this very useful band reject one, and the new band pass and tilt shapes as well. And I also have overall tilt behaviour, not only for the tonality, but also the time constants of Soothe 3's process. And I have the option for that per band delta monitoring to happen as a default in the settings as well, which is really useful. And with a low latency mode offering down to 0 samples of latency at base sample rates, multi-channel support for up to 916 channel configurations with full control over the linking of channel sets, plus a linear phase mode as well, Soothe 3 can give you the best ways yet to deal with harshness, boominess, muddiness, or just about any kind of frequency build-up you can think of. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to Production Expert.